कळंगूटच्या आमदारान कानोळे जमीन कन्वर्ट करून कोट्याचे स्कॅम केला म्हणून आदलो आमदार आग्नेलाचो आरोप। कानोळे खंय दिल्लीवाल्यांच्या भरीक घालपाचे कारस्थान चल्ला। पर्रा पीडीए नाका म्हूण लोकांचो आवाज चडटा आनी मायकल खंय लोकांक पिशे करता। पर्रा पीडीए आड घेतिल्ले मिटिंगेन मायकल पावलो। पीडीएचो निर्णय बदलप शक्य ना म्हूण खंय तो लोकांक सांगता।
Kandoliman Kalangut ODP, which was hurriedly and illegally done by him, which the High Court has struck down. Same thing, people are led to believe that by ODP he will regularize the houses. Not a single house has been regularized. कोणाचेच regularize करूंक ना. On the contrary, NDZ areas पळय आहा आनी low-lying fields, Khazanland, थिंगा permission दिल्या for builders from Delhi and outside Goa to build big structures in Khazanland, in Kandolim. After the High Court struck it down, work is still continuing in these places. I charge that money has exchanged hands and he wants to regularize these structures for which he has taken money, and that is why he is busy with his ODPs and PDAs. See, there are land of about 25,000 square meters land has been converted on the no development zone in Kandolim. About 4,000-5,000 square meters of land fields have been converted. Another 10,000-12,000 in Kandolim. I'm talking only about Kandolim. Now I don't know how much field has been this. In Kandolim, maybe at least 300 to 400 crores.
That's 300 crores camp.
Yes. Kalangut constituency also. Now the latest example was in Parra some days back. Meeting was called by the Sarpanch to decide whether PDA should be there for Parra or not. Now in that meeting the MLA also came, his wife was the Sarpanch who came. When the people objected, तो सांगता PDA आम्ही केली म्हणून तुम्ही कितेंय बोवाट मारा आम्ही PDA करतले. When you call a meeting to decide whether people of the village want a PDA or not, तुम्ही येताना सांगता ना आम्ही PDA केली तुम्ही जाय ते कर म्हणून.
आमचो एक्स MLA Bob Agnel Fernandez is trying to divert the attention of the public, telling them that this is he is trying to show that PDA is trying to do injustice. But people should understand one thing, that we are trying to put their houses on record. And whatever he is alleging and whatever allegation he has put is totally baseless. 10 years, people know who has done corruption and who has made money on corruption.
वास्को नुस्त्याच्या बाजारा भायर आता नुस्तें विकूंक मेळचें ना। मुरगांवच्या सीओन ऑर्डर काडल्या। नुस्त्याच्या बाजारा भायर गाड्यार नुस्तें विकतल्या नुस्तेकारांकडे एनओसी ना, भलायकी खात्याची परवानगी ना, ड्रेनेज ना म्हूण 2015 तांकां नगरपालिकेन दिल्ले लायसन्स सीओन रद्द केले।
Sale of fish beyond the designated stations is not allowed. Municipality has taken pains to construct a fish market, and all the fish should be coming in that place. I have also got the site inspected through my municipal inspectors. They have said that the drain water there is no provision for draining the water from this vendor who was selling the fish on the stalls. So it becomes a nuisance to the public. There are many reasons also. There are conditions that the party should produce NOC from health department, then NOC from other departments. So this fire also NOC, but the NOC are not produced till date. I directed my municipal inspectors, not only these stalls, all the fish which is sold by the side of the road should be confiscated. I also found that there is no any policy of this council to allow fish on the stalls. So whatever was given in the year 2015, I have revoked the license, and from today onwards this will be stopped.
नुस्त्याच्या बाजारा भायर नुस्तें विकूंक दिवचें न्ही म्हूण वास्कोच्या नुस्तेकारांनी इशू केल्लो। सीओच्या एक्शनीचेर ती सातिस्वेत।
सगळें आमकां दिलां लायफ आख्या लायफ पण आमकां लायफसून आमकां तेणें कांयच पिवपाक गरज ना, आनी बाजारा भायर तेणी कोणेंच नुस्तें हिंगूंक जायना म्हणून सांगलां। इतलेंच आतां तें ऑर्डर धाडटा ऑर्डर जालें म्हणून जालें काबार जालें। आयसान आमकां तेणें ऑर्डर दिल्या चड आनी चड देव भर जावं तेका आयज आमची तेणें शिवप ऑर्डर आमची पास केली म्हणून।
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक। घेवया एक कमर्शियल ब्रेक।